So there are multiple ways to transfer a file from a Linux device to a Windows device, right? So we have the SCP tool to transfer the file, or we can host it in the Samba files and transfer it in that way. But in this video, we are not going to see any of them. So we will be looking on a way in which we can host the file in Python's web server module and from any of the hosts that is available in your organization. From that device, you can straight away download the file from the web server. So enough of talking. I'll just quickly show you what I'm trying to say. So I'll just quickly go to my local user so that it will be good. And so first, let me go to my desktop. So here I'm in my desktop. So let it be. So I'll just create a new file from here. So let me create a file named touch file1.txt. So file1.txt. So we have created it successfully. And now to transfer it, I'm just going to host it as a web server. So for that, I'll be utilizing the module called http.server, and I'll be utilizing the port 80. So the port 80 will be the argument that will be sent to this module. Yeah, also I have forgot to mention the Python. I'll be using Python 3. And yeah, now we have started hosting. Okay, so now let this host. Before that, I'll just need to confirm my IP address, ifconfig. Okay, so I'll just have to note this down so that I can go to any of my other devices and download this file. So it's 172.31, 134, 153. Okay. So this is my computer, Windows computer. So I'm just going to download that file1.txt to this computer. So for that, I'll just open PowerShell, and from here on, I will. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use a module called invoke web request, which is a part of PowerShell. I'll be utilizing invoke web request and the URL. So here I'll be utilizing URI. So instead of unique resource locator, I'll be utilizing unique resource identifier. And here I'll just enter the IP address, which I hope I remember. It's 172.31.134. Okay, 153. And the file name, what was the file name? It was file1.txt. Right. And I'll just have to put the output file name. So this output file is the one in which the file will be saved in the Windows device. So I'm thinking of saving it as file1 itself, file1.txt, and enter. And boom, it got saved. It was instantaneous. Let's see. Here we have the actual file1. So likewise, you can transfer all the files from a Linux device to the Windows device. So here also we have certain so if you're going to forward a folder, then you'll have to zip the entire folder and forward it. If you just want to install it one by one, in that case, this method will be a much helpful method. So this is a part of a thing that I wanted to discuss today. And yeah, thank you for your time. Have a nice day. Bye.